Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. So in this video, I am going to go for either Nerissa or Own, preferably both. I'm planning to summon at least till we get three legendaries in rare and maybe this as well, divines as well. Let me go to my lucky channel, which is English 11. I already am in channel 11, so that is fine. Okay, so I'm coming off PT, so I don't expect I'll be hitting PT soon. But if I am not, what I can say, uh, getting PT early, I don't think I'll be able to make it to maybe maximum three. I'll be able to. Earlier during Nesha and Numera summons, I was lucky. I was able to. Yeah, I got early legendary here as well, like Nesha and Numera. Let me see who it is. Yeah, Nerissa. So that's good. Now let's try to get one. Uh, so maybe I'll go for one more legendary here in the rares and then I'll switch to my defense because I want to save for Diochan and the new legendaries coming next week. Okay, so the other one was early, so I assume this will go to PT. So normally that happens. Nothing much happening. Okay, so if not, who I want? Maybe someone new. So that my nascent pool is less and less. If it is lords, I want either king hearts or Tordor, so that whenever that new lord selector is coming, I can choose the other one. Okay, I think this is going to pity, but it's fine. We got one early, and that too it was Nerissa, so it's fine. Let's see. Okay, I think it didn't go to pity. Maybe I didn't summon that much. Let me see if it is on or Nerissa Evan is also fine. Okay. Uh, hmm, that was not good, but at least I think we didn't get pity. Hmm, okay, we are almost near. Okay, maybe I'll pull my divines. Okay, so wish me luck. Okay, right away in divine. So I think today is as far as the legendaries go, it's coming. But my God, it's not what we expected. Okay, back to back. I think three legendaries back to back. One from rare and two from divines. And it's one. Yeah, mission accomplished. I think we got Nerissa, we got one, and that too with minimal cost. So I think this went well. So if you see here, back to back three legendaries. One was Numera during I think 13 days ago, and two now. So that is extreme luck. And in rares, I think how many? 30, 60, 90, 110. Okay. So just 110 summons and two legendaries, and one of them was Nelisa. So that is also kind of good. So total four legendaries in 110 rares and two divines. So that is good, and that also I think both of the banner heroes I got. And if you see Nerissa A1 is kind of good and I want because it gives 30% damage reduction. And on A1 also is good and which gives shield break to three fighters instead of two. Okay, so this both of these A1s are good, so maybe like I'm tempted to go more. Okay, let us. My God, this is extreme. Like, even though I'm not getting, like, apart from those two, I'm not getting good legendaries. Only those two are good. Let's see who it is. Constance. I think it is A2 Constance. Okay, whatever. Let me continue to one more rare, but I think in 120 summons I got three. Okay. Okay, so we are not anymore getting like that nine rare summon, so I missed that. Now I am past that points. You get like this legendary skill crystal and this meteorites, which gives exclusive. But that nine rare summons are missing from the rewards list. Okay, let it be. Okay, so we get this gleaming 100 meteorites, but we get only three rare summoning crystals. Earlier it was nine. I think now it's missing. Okay, this one may be going to pity. Yeah, I think this is going to pity. Hmm. No, no. Okay, let us try and get maybe Nerissa or Von A1. Both of these heroes are kind of useful. I think I want a Nerissa A1 more than. Okay, again, I think it is before pity. Maybe 100. I didn't count, but it is before pity for sure who it is. Ah, my God. We are getting early legendaries like before PT, but not the ones we want. My God. Okay, let me try to pull some more my divines and see if I get Vaughn or Nerissa here. Okay. Okay. Again, early legendary. I think only three it took. Is it Nerissa or Yuri at two? Okay. 13. Okay, let me continue to get one more legendary from Divine. I might be able to get, I might not be if it is going to be T. Okay, now it is already 3 and I didn't get anything. Okay, so I think today is my lucky day. Like it's kind of raining legendaries. So it is A6, that's it. We already have a A5, so 9, okay. Uh, mm, Let me try to get one more. I think it's a bad idea trying to get what I can say. A1, Nerissa or A1 on. I want to have some summons for the next week, Dio channel, the new healer. But I am like tempted to get more legendaries because like this particular summoning session is very lucky to me. I think I got 7 or 8 legendaries without much cost. Even though I think Yuri had Sut are kind of good heroes, and there is hand on I got. I think 4 heroes were good, and Constance also we can count her as good because like she is part of Arbiter. Okay, maybe now we are paying the tax and going to the pity. I'll stop after getting this legendary. I'll not summon anymore. Let's see. Yeah, I think this is the pity. Mhm. Okay, I think this is also early, but let's see. This will be my last. I'll not do it again. I want to save some. Who it is? Talula A1. I don't want her. Hmm. Okay, let it be. I think. Yeah, almost 100. Okay, I think 9 legendaries is kind of good. I think summoned only very less, so that is kind of good. Okay, so I'm back again. I summoned a little bit more while I was not recording, and I didn't get. I think this one is going to pity, maybe. I thought like to spend, go all in. Okay, so that's, I think, the pity. I skipped the middle part, but okay, so this is my last chance to get one or Nerissa A1. Ah, it was a lot, but not the load I wanted, I think. Aracha is A2. Where is her? Yeah, it is A2. Okay, it gives. Okay, damage to airborne units 5%. It's kind of good, but I'm not using her.